All right. Welcome to an impromptu studio tour. You're going to get to see what a mess this place usually is. It's actually going to be a little bit of a gallery this year, too. I'm going to have more shows down here. So I've got the hanging system, set up in the windows and on the walls. And yeah, in transition, there's a phone that's been part of I've painted that thing a couple of times. It's my grandmother's old telephone number. Got some paintings down here, but yeah, I spend most of my time down here. Do all my framing down here. I paint mostly down here. I've been making my own frames here, burning some wood and doing some gold leaf on them. And got this great work table with, covered in stuff, and a system to hang up my frames. Some old shelves with, my weird collection of stuff. I've got miniature animals, boots. Those are Dad's old boots. This is a sign from, I guess we'll look at that here in a minute. This sign right here is from the Miss Elena. And that was a boat that Leon Holmes and I painted together, and then it got bulldozed during lunch. There's my still life box. I like to set up and paint still life in there. This is a box camera that we had down here when we had a printing business down here. I used to work in the dark room, kind of focus things through there, and then you can adjust the camera right there. The film went there. We'd burn plates, put them on printing presses, and print stuff. My trusty TRX. Notice that, yeah, every surface is covered in bills and books, and I hope my sunglasses are down here. I use this old, my dad's old stuff that he refused to use as exercise equipment. I like to do dips and push-ups and stuff when I get bored. Or, I like to work for an hour and then go move around for an hour. But let's see, we've got my books over here, most of my books. Stuff that's not organized, that's thrown on shelves. Paintings, guitars, the usual suspects. Here's my painting cart. This is where the studio is over here, kind of on this side. All my paints. It's an absolute disaster. I don't think I've ever thrown away a tube of paint. I don't know about you, but I've got stuff that dates back, 15 years. I only use Michael Harding stuff now, so, there's always a couple of interlopers. Paints and spray paints and spray fixatives, vessels of brushes, my paint mound. That's what I do with all my paint at the end of the day. Here's one of my tables set up. I'm having issues with my foot right now, so I'm sitting down a lot at the easel. And that's some thoughts on painting. I've been scooting around in my dad's chair. I paint from a monitor when I'm down here, and I use my Apple TV to relay, but I don't. It's upstairs in my studio up there. Another horizontal surface covered in who knows what. Things like paintings I've been meaning to finish for a couple of months there. And then I've got a little gallery over here for my kids' artwork. This is mostly Isla's stuff, my daughter. I love these little color field paintings that she's done. There's my son with her. But yeah, she loves to paint. There's the world's creepiest bathrooms. I like to be able to toast things and brew coffee and, the usual. But yeah, so for the shows, we've got, everything can be hung against the walls here, but each column has one of those posts on it too. And I can move the lighting around. I'm going to have a drawing group down here. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little impromptu tour. Come see me at the gallery. We'll be open this Friday from 6 to 8. Come see me.